Have you ever opened up your old laptop, the one that's been sitting in a drawer gathering dust, and tried to boot it up? Remember that sinking feeling as you wait, what feels like an eternity, for it to sputter to life? Modern operating systems with their constant updates and demanding software can be a real drag on these old workhorses. The problem is that these laptops, while charming in their own right, were built for a different time. Their processors, RAM, and storage space, which might have been impressive back in the day, are simply no match for the resource-hungry applications of today. Trying to run the latest version of Windows or Mac OS on an old laptop can feel like trying to run a marathon with lead weights strapped to your ankles. The fans whir, the system crawls, and you're left wondering if it wouldn't be easier to just buy a new one. But wait. There's a glimmer of hope in the form of a lightweight operating system designed with speed and efficiency in mind: Chrome OS. Chrome OS is not your typical operating system. Instead of being a bulky behemoth packed with features you may never use, it's a streamlined, cloud-based system that focuses on doing the essentials and doing them well. Imagine a world where your laptop boots up in seconds, where the threat of viruses is practically non-existent, and where you always have the latest software at your fingertips. That's the promise of Chrome OS. But how does it manage to achieve such feats on even the most modest of hardware? The answer lies in its simplicity. Chrome OS is built around the Chrome web browser, which means that most of its functionality comes from web applications. This significantly reduces the load on your laptop's hardware, allowing it to run smoothly and efficiently. Think of it this way: instead of storing all your files and programs locally on your laptop, Chrome OS stores them in the cloud, on Google's servers. This not only frees up valuable storage space on your device, but also ensures that you always have access to your data, no matter where you are. One of the best things about Chrome OS is how incredibly easy it is to install. In fact, the process is so straightforward that it feels more like setting up a new smartphone than installing a traditional operating system. You'll need a USB drive with at least 8 GB of storage space and a stable internet connection. First, you'll need to download a tool called the Chromebook Recovery Utility from the Chrome Web Store. This handy tool will help you create a bootable USB drive with the Chrome OS installation files. Once you've created your bootable USB drive, simply plug it into your old laptop and restart the device. Most laptops will allow you to choose the boot device by pressing a specific key during startup, like F12 or Escape. Select your USB drive from the boot menu, and the Chrome OS installation process will begin. The entire process is largely automated and should only take a few minutes to complete. Once you've installed Chrome OS and gone through the initial setup process, you'll be greeted by a clean, intuitive interface that's remarkably easy to navigate. The first thing you'll notice is the speed. Everything, from booting up to launching applications, feels incredibly snappy, even on older hardware. Gone are the days of waiting for your laptop to catch its breath after opening a few browser tabs. Chrome OS handles multitasking with ease, allowing you to seamlessly switch between browsing the web, checking email, and editing documents without any noticeable lag. But the benefits of Chrome OS extend far beyond just speed. Its cloud-based nature means that you'll always have the latest software updates, security patches, and backups, all without having to lift a finger. And because most of your work is done online, you won't have to worry about losing your data if your laptop ever breaks down.